So this course really filled my knowledge gaps and I became more confident.
After watching some of the videos on the course, I felt really comfortable with the extra knowledge.
Before I passed my driving test, I was really nervous. It really helped me have more confidence, and I would take what I learned during the course into my lessons and really aid that.
The videos obviously help you because you're going into that lesson knowing exactly what you're going to do, and just having that knowledge just makes that lesson faster and you feel a lot better.
38 easy to understand, precise videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. These are not just theory based, they are practical videos demonstrating everything from moving off and stopping a vehicle to all of the maneuvers and every other module required. So if you're lacking knowledge, or maybe your instructor has forgotten to cover something, or you're just not grasping a certain topic, then this course has it covered. You can watch the videos before your driving lessons, which means you'll get into the car knowing exactly what to do. This will definitely save you time on your lessons.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I am in India at the moment, and I did this a couple of years ago. I took a driving test and uploaded it onto the channel, and it was quite an experience, quite entertaining. And I'm back here. Obviously I couldn't come last year because of coronavirus, but yeah, so I'm back here, and I contacted Sodi from Sodi Driving School, and he was up for another video. So today what we're going to do is, Sodi's going to do the driving, and he's going to show us how you should deal with stuff and how it should be done. So from a professional driving instructor, a qualified driving instructor in India will show us exactly how things should be done, and I will compare it to how things are done in the UK. So Sodi, are you ready?
Okay, ready.
Yeah. So guys, anybody watching from India, from this area, Sodi, what's the area?
Ply Road.
Ply Road in which city?
City Phagwara.
Phagwara. Anybody from this area that needs driving lessons, you know, this is a guy. Yeah, check out the reviews. And this is the only one that said, yeah, he's up for. I remember last time when I was trying to find a driving instructor who would be up for this, he was one of the only ones that said, yeah, I'm up for it. So shows he's quite good. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. So can you check that?
I had a bit of an issue finding the seatbelt buckle. It was kind of stuck and folded downwards.
I got it.
शीशा तो लगा दूँ?
Ready?
शीशा तो लगा दूँ?
Yeah. So guys, Sodi will speak as much English as he can. Yeah, but if he gets stuck anywhere, he might move over to Punjabi, and I will translate you.
Sodi reverses so he has enough space to move out. Here in the UK, before reversing, you must check all around, including both blind spots and out of the back window. But he only checks the mirrors. And when moving off from a park position, we normally check all the mirrors and both blind spots, especially the right blind spot, because that is the direction we are moving in. Sodi doesn't check the right blind spot, and there was somebody in that area on a bike. Like I mentioned earlier, I am just comparing it to the UK driving. What Sodi is demonstrating may be totally acceptable when taking the driving test in India. He is the expert when it comes to driving in India, and not me.
So it's kind of, I'm testing his driving today. Yeah, it's a test kar din.
Okay.
Before steering to the right to overtake, we would normally check the right mirror to ensure that no one is overtaking us before we move out. And if this were the UK driving test, this would be a serious driving fault for getting too close to the cyclist. The minimum distance you should leave when overtaking a cyclist is 1.5 meters. Now Sodi is turning right and talking us through how it should be done. In the UK, we use the MSM routine, which stands for Mirror, Signal, Maneuver. So we always check the mirrors first and then signal. But in India, it's signal and then mirrors.
जिस तरह के राइट टर्न आ गया आप राइट टर्न करना है फर्स्ट इंडिकेटर फर्स्ट स्पीड रिड्यूस स्पीड कट करोगे और अदरवाइज अगर कोई आगे आ रहा तो उसकी साइड है वेटिंग
You just wait for oncoming.
हाँ
Yeah.
वेटिंग राइट हैंड ऊपर साइड
Okay, mirrors, mirrors here. Do you signal to pillar? Do you check them before the signal or after?
यस
Mirrors here, check it. When do you check your mirrors?
बिफोर
Before signal.
बिफोर सिग्नल हैव टू चेक
So face signal, then mirror.
There is a vehicle behind horning to notify us that they're overtaking, which is normal. But check what they do as soon as they overtake. What was the point? I decided to close the window. It turned out to be a bit of an arm workout. Now we are coming up to the end of the road, which we normally refer to as a T-junction. Sodi calls it a T-point, which is similar.
They are coming in T point. Are we going to left? First indicator.
When turning left in this situation, we normally follow the road and keep to the left. Sodi doesn't position to the left, and other vehicles come up and use that space to turn before us.
Then stop. And then check left right. The handbrake. ये अपनी साइड खाली है फिर आप जा सकते हैं
Yep. Okay. Okay.
द हैंड ब्रेक डाउन
Now Sodi talks us through how to turn left at this roundabout. Once we deal with the roundabout, there is a police officer standing in the middle of the road for no apparent reason.
They are coming in roundabout. We coming left.
Left
First
of the
indicator.
Okay.
Check the road board sign. Check the sign arrow is meaning is only left turn, not going to right.
Okay.
First indicator. Check to left stop sign.
So we have to stop इधर रोकनी.
हाँ इधर कोई आ जाए फिर आप स्टॉप करना. We are going open.
Oh, okay.
हाँ ये खाली फिर आप इधर जा सकते हैं.
See, in a stop, should he have stopped?
हाँ yes. पुलिस वाला गब्बे खड़ा है.
Even the police officer didn't.
In the center.
Here Sodi explains and demonstrates how to join onto the carriageway.
Check the right side road sign, the Y intersection.
Okay. So we're joining on it.
Yes. If you're coming right, first indicator, check the mirror, catch the line.
Now this is something that I found interesting when I did a driving lesson here last time. I asked Sodhi what the speed limit is, and he explains that it's different for each lane. Here in the UK, on a carriageway or a motorway, the speed limit will be the same for each lane. The left lane is for normal driving, and the other lanes are for overtaking.
This is the main road, yeah?
Main road.
The speed limit, what's the speed limit?
40.
40 kilometers.
Yes. This side is 40 for 60.
Okay, so this lane is 40,
40.
that lane is 60.
60.
Now here we come up to a pedestrian crossing. I assumed that we only needed to stop if there were pedestrians waiting, just as here in the UK. But even though there is no one there, Sodhi stops the car. To be honest, I think he was just trying to demonstrate what to do if there were a pedestrian.
There's a zebra in the stopping.
Do we have to stop here?
Yeah, zebra. We have a stop. पैदल जाने वाला नहीं.
Yeah,
No
but-
going.
Okay, so no one's there then.
इधर go.
As we move off, there is a vehicle overtaking in the right-hand lane, and another vehicle approaching from behind which isn't slowing down. That vehicle squeezes past. It was awfully close.
There's 3 lanes here, no?
Yeah.
Is that still 40?
The 30.
30?
There's a the 30.
This one 40?
Yeah. The 30.
Yeah.
40 or 60.
30, 40 and 60?
Yeah. There's a slow line. Left side is slow line.
But there's a different speed limit. The
Yeah.
rake line is different speed limit?
Different,
here?
yeah.
Okay.
There's a 30, the 40 or 60. With a fast pack.
Here Sodhi demonstrates how to exit the carriageway and then join back on. He again stops at the pedestrian crossing.
Check the left side at the bus stop. It's coming left side. Okay. You stop the zebra first. And check the right. First indicator.
We're joining onto the main road. Here you'll notice a car on the opposite side of the road driving head on towards us.
To the right on the main road. First indicator. Check the right window. The wrong coming.
And now there is a lorry on the wrong side. A good reaction from Sodhi.
The truck the wrong coming road. We're going to left. First indicator. Speed reduce. Get down.
I wonder how many drivers stick to that rule of not horning.
This is residence area, is not allowed with the horn.
Not allowed to horn here.
Yeah. Only speed is juice. Only 20 speed.
Okay.
T junction.
Now we are turning right at the end of the road. Here in the UK, we would first check our mirrors, then signal, and then begin to slow down.
First stop. The right turn. The indicator. Checked left or right. We're going. No, everybody going.
Okay.
Now Sodhi demonstrates the steering technique he thinks that is used in the UK. I'm not sure if he was taking the mick. You've got to love this guy. I think he's brilliant, giving us some amazing footage.
England steering can idna kama ho na.
Yeah, you have
And like the steering this type.
Yeah, we normally full
Yeah.
push.
Yeah.
But here you can overlap your hands.
Yeah. India is bad.
Yeah. To be honest, in the UK as well, even if you do overlap your hands, it's okay. It's not a fault that they mark down, but the preferred method is push and pull, just like Sodi demonstrated there.
This is coming in my office. The Sodi Car Driving School, Ply Road, Fagwada. This is my office.
The place for driving lessons.
Yeah. And the first indicator. The stop. Okay. If you looking right middle in the road side, straight if your car is straight.
So when you park, it needs to be nice and straight.
Yeah.
Okay. And you look in your right to for that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay guys, so that was quite interesting. Obviously rules are different here, and I suppose they let a lot of things slide more. But yeah, really interesting. Sodi, thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah. And again, any advertisement you want to do, anything you want to say, go on. You can say it in Punjabi, English, whatever you want. Apni mashuri karni karo.
Okay. Hi, I am Sodi for Sodi Car Driving School, Ply Road, Fagwada.
And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video back in the UK.